Johnson & Johnson, the world's biggest maker of healthcare products, including Tylenol and Band-Aid, may need some help. J&J reported weaker demand in Q2. Liling Tan dives deeper into the numbers.
Whether it's aches and pains or cuts and bruises, Johnson & Johnson has a quick remedy for it, and within easy reach. But the company behind such familiar U.S. pharmaceutical brands like Tylenol, Visine and Band-Aid could use some bandaging up after a tough quarter marred by product recalls, litigation costs and acquisition write-downs. Its McNeil Consumer Healthcare division has faced numerous product recalls, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, which regulates medicines, vaccines and medical devices in the U.S., has issued a consent decree to check manufacturing issues. Consumer spending has also deteriorated as global growth slows. Still, Johnson & Johnson is in pretty good shape, says Piper Jaffray senior analyst Matt Miksic.
A lot of the consumer products, remember, that they have are not the kind of discretionary luxury goods that people put off during a recession. So despite their consent decree problems and McNeil-related problems with their consumer business has kind of chugged along fairly well.
Johnson & Johnson's net income for the quarter fell to $1.4 billion, half of what it made a year ago, as sales slipped 0.7%. Its pharmaceuticals unit performed the strongest among its three business segments and was the only unit that posted sales growth from last year. Its consumer business was the worst hit. Geographically, sales grew in Asia-Pacific markets but retreated in the U.S. and Western Europe.
What's interesting about this company is it is a bellwether. It's a platform for growth globally. They are pushing further into emerging markets, and they have a lot of cash to invest.
And invest they did. The company acquired Swiss medical device maker Synthes this year for nearly $20 billion, and Piper Jaffray expects that Johnson & Johnson will have close to $30 billion on its balance sheet by year-end, putting the company in the enviable position of being able to pick and choose how and where to deploy that cash. Liling Tan, CCTV, New York.